Bonjour tout le monde. Today we're learning la famille in French. I'll show you each word and you can repeat after me. Let's begin. This is la maman. Maman. That means mom. And this is le papa. Papa. That means dad. This is le frère. Frère. That means brother. And this is la sœur. Sœur. That means sister. This is la grand-mère. Grand-mère. That means grandmother. And this is le grand-père. Grand-père. That means grandfather. Now, let's practice together. I'll show a picture and you try to say it first. La maman. Le papa. Le frère. La sœur. La grand-mère. Le grand-père. Did you get them all right? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. À bientôt!